Pretty out here today, but yeah, not getting any action at all so far, man. A couple little bites, artificial, but they didn't hook on. And we're heading out to another spot, man. Just don't know where they hiding. We'll find them. Enjoy the scenery. If you can't get out here, at least you can watch it. Concentrate and you get yourself out of here also in your mind anyway. Till you can get out of here. Underwater anywhere. Alright, we're gonna try it out here a little bit. Just picking at random now. Alright, we'll be back hopefully.